Hi, my name is Juergen Hoehne, and this is a Salesforce Translation Tables Guide. So, you can enable any object, assign a user, any language pretty much. Like the last time I checked, I think Salesforce had 15 different versions of English, like Filipino English, uh, or German, Austrian German versus Swiss German versus other German. So that's how you do it. So you can have your reports in Chinese, and yet your management can see the reports in English. It works great. Here's how you do it. You go to Setup, right? And this is, for instance, I already in the sandbox first because I don't read Chinese, so I had a little trouble getting it back in English. And then you go to translation settings, translation workbench, right? And all the standard fields get translated. The custom fields don't. You need to actually have a local person, right? And then you just enable it. You activate what languages do you want to add to the translation workbench? German, English, Chinese in this case, right? And then you can enable it or you can disable it for your organ. So you can have French, Spanish, Portuguese, Chilean Spanish, Mexican Spanish. And so people in Mexico City see their Salesforce in Mexican Spanish. And then yet in Nevada, we see it in English or whatever. It's not my call. And that's how you do it. It's that straightforward. And here you go. So here, for instance, this English, and then who do you assign to that? Like, who do you assign to what language? This is who's an expert in Chinese for the custom fields, right? And then they can help you. English action account, translation workbench, and here you go. This is my file, English. Now I'm gonna choose Chinese. Do you see that? Language, local settings, Chinese. Now my user profile is in Chinese. Here, there. See, I'm in Reno, but in Chinese. And everything's in Chinese, except for some of the reports that aren't. But most of it is in Chinese. Thank you so much. So basically, anything you do can be used in multi-languages. It's easy. It doesn't cost extra unless they changed it, and enable it to enable user adoption. Thank you so much.